I think my candles are too thin to go in there. I think that's a thicker
for the
candle.
normal one, this is a little bit bigger than the normal one. Yeah. Yes. But for us, we could, if you want to try, we do like one time.
Yeah.
But if you want to separate,
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get them or do something because I sell a lot of the small sparklers and they would use those in the bars to carry them. So I need the smaller tubes because I have too much money invested in the smaller.